Listing a token on CoinMarketCap can provide significant exposure to the cryptocurrency market, increasing visibility for investors and traders. Here's how we can list a token. Create an account. Visit CoinMarketCap and sign up for an account if you don't have one. Submit a listing request. Navigate to the CoinMarketCap listing form, which can be found under the Submit Data or Add Listing section. Provide token details. Enter all necessary information about your token, including token name, symbol, contract address, blockchain it's built on, white paper or technical documentation, supply details. Fill in essential information. Include additional information like token use case, roadmap, and project team details. High-quality data increases the chance of approval. Submit for review. After submitting the form, your listing request will be reviewed by CoinMarketCap's team. This process can take several weeks. Maintain ongoing updates. If your token is approved, ensure you provide ongoing updates about new developments, trading pairs, and other relevant information. Monitor your token. Once listed, keep track of market performance and investor feedback through CoinMarketCap's analytics tools.